Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you have an account on Discord and verified PayPal account? If you do so, let's make money out of it. Today's video, I will be sharing this Discord server that pays you for your feedback on different products and services in Facebook. So, stay tuned. I discovered the server in one of my friends. He shared it to me via email, so I tried it to see if it is legit or not. First thing to do is open your Discord or create a Discord account if you haven't signed in yet. Then, click the link below to redirect to the server. After clicking the link, you will be redirected on this channel. First thing to do is to read the whole procedure for better understanding, but later I will demonstrate what you need to do to earn in this Discord server. After you read the procedure, don't forget to press the money bag emoji to gain the access to the rows and start working. Next is rules fact, wherein the rules stated here. You can also see how many members are here. So that's it, guys. So important rules: be respectful toward the company and each other. And number 2, English only. Watch the procedure and read the rules and fact carefully before asking questions in chat or in direct message. Don't change your Discord name. Changing your nickname on the server is fine. Using the Discord or direct messages for any sort of promotion, publicity will result in a ban. Use your main Facebook account that you use every day. If you use a secondary account, you either won't have enough friends to see the ads, or Facebook will ask you for any identity fees after a couple of reviews and close this account if it's duplicate. You can always contact the owner if someone isn't respecting one of the rules. So you can read this. How do I start working? You need to carefully watch and read the procedures that I said a while ago. First, you can start working right after. How much time does this job take? This is a part-time job, meaning it should be used to make an extra income. It should have taken you around 2 minutes to complete one review on desktop, so it only requires a short time of your day. Is this legit? Yes, it is. Everyone with a purple or green name in the chat have already received a payment from us. Also, we have a local office in Canada and paid over $2,000 in salary in the past month. Do I need to use my own Facebook account? Yes, please use your main account. How do I get paid? Once 20 reviews, you will be paid automatically on PayPal. PayPal payments are from Monday to Friday around 17 hours Eastern Time. Yes, so guys, what do I get by working with you? We offer a part-time job income which is easy to do, and we are also planning or expanding our business in the next year to include more reviews, connected work opportunities, and rewards for employees who are sticking with us since the beginning. How can I get more clients? We usually add clients each 24 to 72 hours from Monday to Saturday between 10 hours and 18 hours Eastern Time. So how can I know when the new clients are added? New clients are announced in either new clients, large clients, or lottery, small clients. We send a notification in the channel each time we can access a new client. So yun guys, this. How can I complete 20 reviews if there is only 8 clients? We need to wait until we add new clients. How many clients do you add each month so they can guarantee it? So specific of number of clients each month. We're growing the business each month, so there's more and more clients as the months go on. At the moment, we have around 30 new clients plus 20 old clients we're opening per month. Why I can save the ads? Desktop, and here it is, guys. You please read this carefully. So that's it. Next is, if you have any questions regarding this earning Discord server, you can type in your questions here. It will be answered by the members or the owner. Next is suggestions option, wherein the owner will create a poll for the members to respond Like if the owner wants to fix something, they will post here their suggestions to the page to make this server better, and the members have the freedom to vote. You see here, and vote. Next is update. This is where the owner update the members every week, twice a week, about this Discord. The updated option is the lottery, which bot will pick random workers every minute to give feedback to certain client. New clients. This is the old option before lottery, but they post here the clients that were opens for everyone. Next is pay spam option, wherein every time you complete a task, you just have to go here and type the $sign with pay word like this one. And if you want to know how many clients you have done, just type in $sign with review, just like this one. So next is to register your PayPal, type in $sign and PayPal word plus your PayPal email like this. If you want to be my referral, you can type in your $sign and refer word plus Steven Mijares 10. Just like this. It will be a great help for me, and so that we can earn more. Thank you in advance. Now I will teach you how this works. So watch this. You will see that there are 3 clients here, and this client 82 is not. I have not yet done this, so let's go. Let's click the link. You can see here my account, so show ad. You can click the show ad. Just click the show ad. Let's wait. Here it is. So let's click the 3 dots. Here you will see the save button, so let's save the video. And wait. Here you can save it to a new collection or your list, save list. So let's click done button. So next step is go to your recent activities if up. So let's click it. Let's click the recent ad activity. Let's go to save. Here you can see the ad that I just saved a while ago. So let's click the satisfied, and what I'm most satisfied with, let's choose this product quality and next. So you can see, you can say whatever you want, and but for me, for example, is I like this product a lot, like that. It's easy. So let's click the done button, and you will see the thank you. Yes, close. The next step is you need an app that can screenshot, or you can also screenshot, but for me I use snipping tool. So let's go. It's new, and choose this. So need that, like that, and then save. You save that. Save it here. I'm gonna save it here. And save it here. And also next. So guys, that's it. Now let's go back. Let's go back. So here you can see all the workers who submitted it. So let's go here. You see it here. Then open. Here you can see your proof. Here is, so you don't need to add comments, so click the upload. And if it checks, so it will tell you that your submitted picture is correct. So let's wait. Let's go to the page pump. Go this, and let's copy the pay, then paste it here, then enter. Here you can see that I will click this pay bot. Let's click the pay bot. So here this guys, so I made the 5 USD. So I will update you if my withdrawal is on my PayPal. So let's go. In my experience on this Discord server, it is advisable that we are always online from Monday to Saturday, 24 to 72 hours between 10 hours and 18 hours Eastern Time. In Asia, it is usually between 11 PM to 5 AM. Because the owner is from Canada, if you have 20 reviews, your rank will increase. As you can see here, there are 4 colors in the username of the members. First is everyone, default role, everyone has it, and PA or new, grade, and what's the procedure instinct, the emoji under it. So it is your if you click the emoji that is under procedures, and next is novice. You completed 20 reviews, and the VX or experience is 40 reviews but up. So the PA expert is a special role given out manually by owners and managers for outstanding behavior. And my tips is be cautious. You must use English language in communication, and one client, one feedback rule. If you disobey this, you will be banned from the server. So this is it guys. I received my payout in Discord. So it's so easy. It takes only 1 day for them to send me. So yeah guys, this is 100% legit. So join now, and the link is in the description. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so I can make more videos. And thank you for watching.